Hi, it's Clearwater Chad coming at you. Got my son James doing some typing up some reports for the SPs, and we're gonna get that going. But in the interim, I have another quote from LR from Ron, because, like I stated in my last video, the non-Scientologists operate in a diminished capacity, and it's our job to tell them about the greatest good. So, once again, LRH advises that the greatest ability in the whole human race and amongst the livingness is the ability to help. And I'm going to get a sip of my water. Okay, a little clear water, spring water here. All right. Once again, LRH advises the greatest ability in the whole human race and amongst the livingness is the ability to help. Okay? Now this is Clearwater Chad. If you want to live like us, 10xing it, doubling it, typing it, teleXing it, and mailing it, then you better think real hard about what's going to be coming down. You better pay close attention to Clearwater Chad. Till next time, 10x it.